Hey bro, if you want to achieve muscle ups, you can't train for muscle ups because it will get you nowhere. I trained for muscle ups for 2 years and it didn't bring me muscle up. I still couldn't do it after training specifically for it. Here is what you have to do instead. Do weighted pull-ups. Weighted pull-ups are just superior. I will just show you what I mean. Here I just scrape the water of the bar, or how the fuck do you say it? This is my warm-up. Here I have 10 kgs. On a warm-up I always do really high reps, touching the bar with my chest. Or is it it is 20 kg actually. Okay, right here I have 30 kgs, still my warm-up, but here I just do one rep. Yeah, also a touch with my chest. And here we come to the main attraction, which is 40 kg pull-ups. Yeah, right now I do 40 kg pull-ups for 4 reps and 3 sets. Chest above the bar. Some people like to do chest to bar, but it is just incredibly difficult to do with higher, bigger weights. Yeah, the most annoying part is finding good songs. I can't train without music. Like I can, but I don't really enjoy it that much. Yeah, here is how you rest in between sets with such weights. Let's skip 4 minutes because that's how long my rest is. Yeah, I should probably keep my legs straighter. I see it now. And the 4th one made it. And the 3rd set. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, barely made that. Probably should have waited a bit longer at the bottom position, but... So, what I'm trying to say is, weighted pull-ups will make you incredibly fucking strong. They made me incredibly fucking strong, and they made me achieve easy muscle ups. Yeah, if you want to know exactly how I progress with weighted calisthenics, I basically just follow Dominic Sky's approach. Maybe you know him. It's when you take, for example, 30 kgs on 3 reps, and that's pretty much your max. You do 3 reps for 3 sets. Then, the next workout, you do 3 reps for 4 sets. So you increase the number of sets by 1. Another session, 3 reps and 5 sets. So again we increase the amount of sets, and when we have 5 sets we basically increase the amount of reps. So again we do 4 reps with 3 sets. We go back to 3 sets but 4 reps, and then we do 4 times 4 and 4 reps and 5 sets, 4 times 5. And then we do the same thing with 5. So 5 reps on 3 sets, 5 reps on 4 sets, and 5 reps on 5 sets. And when you have 5 reps and 5 sets, and it feels pretty easy, you can then just get the weight up by 10 kgs. If you do everything well and your progress is week by week, as it should be, you should add 10 kgs in about 2 months. And you must do these pull-ups very explosively. That's it. You must do them explosively. Pull as fast and as explosive as you can. Yeah, after the 3 sets of 4 reps, I just lowered the weight to 30 kgs and did 3 sets of 5 reps with 30 kgs. I could have done 5 sets, but I just wanted to keep some power in the tank because I'm gonna be working out again on Monday. And yeah, I just want to show you how my muscle ups look like, basically. Here's some straight bar dips to get my chest warmed up. And yeah, basically that's how my muscle ups look like. And note that it is after how many? 6 sets of heavy weighted pull-ups. Like, they are not perfect, but I guess they are pretty good. 5 reps. These last 2 were not really that good, but I'm happy with them. Yeah, you can see I push really backwards with my back and then to the top. They look kind of scruffy, but you know, I don't do them at all, so I don't have that nice muscle memory. That's just what I wanted to say to you. If you want to achieve muscle up, the very best and quickest way is just doing weighted pull-ups. They will make you incredibly strong, and after like a month or 2 you will be busting out muscle ups like it's nothing. At least the first one. The first one is always the best. Okay, so see you in the next video.